editing. Having trouble with rendering and stuff.
Well, you still look a little sick.
I'm sicker than a dog.
Got a pharmacy in here.
Yeah, got enough things. They're just not working.
Oh, Christ. Jeez. God, you probably got swine, SARS, everything.
Oh, F my life.
Well,
I'm done with this.
done with that?
What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. I just got this paper. Religions class. It's going pretty good.
That's good.
Yeah, this paper's gonna be the death of me. Like death in your sickness.
Yeah.
15 pages. Whole class is all the paper. I don't even know why I go. Just reading like 15 books. I'd rather have your sickness, probably.
I don't know, man. This sucks pretty bad.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. This is like... This is torture. This is the worst kind of reading ever. Wow. Yeah, sorry about that. It was gross. Maybe I should take another,
Mucinex.
maybe just take 2. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. That was weird.
Yeah,
That
sorry
was
about that.
pretty gross. That.
You might be sick now.
Yeah, it's a very high possibility. What the f?